So this is going to probably be a really quick project. My wife has the keyboards that she likes, the Microsoft sidewinder, and she uses it a lot of times with the cord gets bent over to the side. And previously I had tried to put hot glue on here. You can see some of the remnants, but it's still, that was after she had already bent it and the wires were starting to fray. So this time I cut, I don't know if you can see, I cut this piece, I took it all apart. I cut the piece that goes in the keyboard in half, which was a pain, but I used a little mini hacksaw and was able to get the cord itself pushed back in, so now the frayed parts are inside. That's why it's kind of bulgy here instead of flat like over on this side. But I figured since at this point it's a free keyboard, meaning I've repaired it twice. So at this point any extra life is just that extra. So I'm going to try and put some hot glue around here to try and soften this edge to give it a little more, help and assistance, and then we'll see what it goes. So this project, add a bunch of hot glue if I can get it to work onto there. Oh, look, it's already dripping. Yay. So yeah, that's what we're going to try. And there we go. It's not pretty because these cheap little Ace glue guns don't do pretty work, at least that I've ever been able to manage. But it's there. It will help get the bend further away from the keyboard, so that should help. And that was the goal. Try and give it a little more protection. I'm not sure. I may want to try and make it a little more slanted, but in any case, that's the project. Nice, quick, hopefully it will work. And since there were these gaps where the extra keyboard cable stuffed down in caused it to bow out, I just sealed that up so less junk gets in the keyboard. So that's it.